Welcome to Sketcher Zone 1. Monthly video, August 2024. Excavation and transportation. Area 8A Subzone 3. Priority works are in progress. $20,000 metric tons of contaminated soil has been excavated. Area 8D, Subzone 4. $130,000 tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. $80,000 tons have been transported to the treatment areas. This month, 145,000 metric tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. Cumulative till date 2,460,000 metric tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. Transportation. This month, 135,000 metric tons have been transported to treatment center. Cumulative till date 2,380,000 metric tons have been transported to treatment center. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing, and placing. This month, 150,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Cumulative till date 2,190,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Bioremediation. During this month, the following activities and outcomes were observed in the bioremediation process. Tilling, irrigation, inoculum addition, and surfactant addition were performed on a total of 29 batches, covering approximately 258,968 tons of soil. A total of 36 soil samples were taken. This consists of 9 baseline samples, 20 IPT samples, and 7 verification treatment samples. 78,000 tons have achieved BRTC through bioremediation, 63,000 tons through direct bioremediation, and 15,000 tons through train of technologies. Overall, 1,790,000 tons of contaminated soil have been completely remediated through bioremediation for soil with TPH from 1% to 5%. 7,500 tons of contaminated soil have been completely remediated through Train of Technologies for Soil with TPH from 5% to 7%. 7,300 tons of contaminated soil have been completely remediated through Train of Technologies for Soil with TPH from 7% to 10%. Soil washing plant. For soil washing operations this month, the following activities and metrics were recorded. For baseline samples were collected. 2 treatment verification samples were collected. This month, for batches of soil were placed for treatment using the soil washing method. Overall, 14 batches of soil were placed for treatment using the soil washing method. The soil washing plant operated for a total of 501 hours, averaging 61.2 tons per hour and 19 hours per day. For this month, 35,000 tons have achieved the RTC through soil washing procedure, all from TPH 5% to 7%. Overall, 57,000 tons of contaminated soil have been completely remediated through soil washing procedure, all from TPH 5% to 7%. Landfill. Landfill construction activities. Concrete work for drainage open channel is in progress. South Kuwait pit excavation and concrete work is in progress. Landfill infilling process. 169,755 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by KERP Lamor with total of 3,687 trips. 139,892 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by HISCO with total of 2,809 trips. A total of 309,667 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill with total of 6,496 trips.